Office in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Twiggs County and central Georgia, west central Twiggs County and central Georgia, northeastern Houston County and central Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alberta, or south of Macon, south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warner Robins, Centerville, Robins Air Force Base, Alberta, Middle Georgia Regional Airport, and Bonaire. For your protection, on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The following report